Beautiful souls, let me ask you something. What happens when you already know what to do, but you don't follow through? That space between knowing and doing is where misalignment lives. And over time, that misalignment drains your energy. Alignment is not something you chase, it's something you become. It's when your thoughts, your actions, and your energy are moving in the same direction. When you are aligned, your decisions feel clear, your energy feels steady, and you're no longer forcing your way through life. Misalignment often feels subtle at first. You feel tired even when you have rested. You feel unsure even when the answer is within you. You say yes when your body is saying no. Over time, this creates internal conflict, and that conflict drains your vital force. Many people understand what alignment is, but embodiment is where the real work begins. Embodiment means you live it. You honor your boundaries. You listen to your body. You act on intuition, even when it feels uncomfortable. Imagine two people who both know they need rest. One continues to push through exhaustion, ignoring their body, forcing productivity. The other pushes through exhaustion to listen, to reset. Both have awareness, but only one is embodying alignment. This is where everything comes together. You are no longer searching, you are remembering. You are no longer forcing, you are allowing. You are no longer questioning your path, you are embodying it. Beautiful souls, take a moment and ask yourselves, where in my life am I out of alignment, even though I already know what needs to be changed? And what will it look like to embody that truth? Alignment is not doing more. It is about being more intentional. Your body already knows. Your intuition is already guiding you. And your energy is always responding to the choices you make.